Oh boy, the sun is shining in St Andrews today, and I'll tell you, this is the perfect opportunity to launch this property. 49 Jamie Anderson Place in St Andrews is a 3-bedroom end terraced property with an open plan living room, dining room, kitchen, WC downstairs, bathroom upstairs as well. Plenty of storage throughout, and it's got beautiful gardens. There is the perfect place to sit, because that's the south. And I'll let you see, I'll take you on the tour and show you all about it. But the sun is beating down just now. We're round about 11:30. This is south facing to the front. It's the perfect place to sit, to take advantage of the sun. But also the back garden's absolutely beautiful as well. Nice and enclosed and private and quiet. And that's what I love most about this property. This is in an area, Jamie Anderson Place, where you're only come here if you're visiting somebody here or you actually live here, and it's a cul-de-sac. It's ideal, perfect family home as well for someone, and it's a perfect starter home for someone as well. Let me take you on the tour around this property and tell you all about it. So here it is here, I'm at the top of the stairs. Now you have an access ramp for anybody that wants to get in. There's the parking to the front. There's plenty of parking bays. We're going to see them when we're up at the top. You've got an access ramp to go down there if anybody needs that. But you've also got the stairs that go down here as well to get to your property. But beautiful landscape front garden. That's clearly obviously the golden opportunity where everybody sits in the sun. I'd probably have a sun lounger out there, to be honest. And you can get down the side to the back garden as well, but we're going to cover that towards the end. Let me just take you in the front door here. We're going to go upstairs, see the 3 double bedrooms and the bathroom first. But I think first of all, once you come in here, the one thing this property has got is a big bonus. There's plenty of storage all the way throughout, and I'll point that out to you. So upstairs, immediately, double cupboard storage, attic storage. Into your bathroom off to the left hand side here, storage in the cupboard. Sink round the corner, WC, you've got the bath, and then you've got your electric shower overhead. Nice wet wall, that, I like that. And as we come round to one of the first bedrooms off to my left hand side, all good sized double bedrooms here, 3 of them, end terraced as well. So real good sized double bedroom in here, as you'll see. And then I'll show you a bit more about this while we're up at the top window. See, there's plenty of parking. Some people have got their own parking, but you've got all this parking all the way down and all the way on the other side as well. So as I said, it's going to be pretty easy to get your car parked. And that's one of the big advantages in this area. Next double bedroom off to the front of me here, right across. So plenty of space in here again for furniture. And it's a nice pleasant view actually. I've got a sneaky suspicion I could maybe see that could be Dundee or Lucklaw Hill. I think that's Lucklaw Hill just at the corner there. I could see right across the rooftops too. Look at that back garden. Really nice. You know what I love about it the most? I mean, the sun it's getting into it. And the privacy it surrounds it as well when you're down there. And we'll talk all about that when we get outside at the end. For anybody that doesn't know the area, I'll talk about that at the end as well. So you get an update on the area, and I'll give you some tips and hints to know a bit more. So good sized double bedroom in here, currently utilised as a storage area, dressing room sort of. And here, and then back on down to the downstairs. We're going to cover the living room open plan to the dining room down here. First of all, off to the side, we have got the WC down here, a corner sink. Storage in the cupboard again, storage under here. Yep, did I tell you this thing's got plenty of storage, this house. Into the living room. So what I love most about the living room is it's open plan to the actual dining room. So as we come all the way around here and all the way back over here, that's a big space. Now it's got 4 table and chairs. You probably get one either end, so you get 6. But I think you can get an extending table there, and you could probably, at a push, you probably maybe even get about 12 people in there. So if entertaining is your thing for seasonal aspects, let's mention Christmas, is probably New Year and stuff like that, that's probably the perfect place to be. But the great thing is it's open plan to here, so you've got your living room area to the front. Lots of natural light coming in as well, isn't there? Now, if you want flexibility in a property, this has definitely got it. Because I have a sneak suspicion, I've seen this before, where people have actually taken this part away and open planned the kitchen to the dining room to the actual living room itself. They've also taken, some people have actually taken the opportunity to close this off and open it there, so they've got an open planned kitchen dining room and it's separate from the living room. So that's one of the things that this property affords you, is a great flexibility and options of use. So as we walk through into the kitchen, the first thing I notice about it is the abundance of space in here. It is big. Probably even get a dining table and chairs over there, to be honest, if you do that unit away. And then you could recover this for something else if you really wanted to. But temptation, I know there's a freestanding fridge freezer over there, but the temptation is to actually possibly put a big, huge American-style fridge freezer in here. And then you've still got plenty of worktop space all the way around there. You've got your under-counter, space for your under-counter washing machine. You've got a freestanding cooker there as well. And you could probably put another set of cupboards up there and move that over there, actually. So this could be repurposed as well. There's lots of things you can do with this, or you can just leave it as it is. It's perfect as it is, to be honest. Just giving you ideas. Okay, another thing I love about outside here is the outbuilding. That's the great thing, because there's lots of storage in there, and if you've got bikes or that, you can put them in there under lock and key. Although I probably don't even need it here, to be honest. But you can see how this is perfectly positioned. They've got their double chairs there, obviously when the sun, because the sun will come round here towards the afternoon and evening, and then they've got the chairs over there as well. So it is an ideal place for relaxing towards the late afternoon and especially evening. This could be perfect barbecue country, I would say, definitely. But nice and quiet. The one thing I like about it is it's not right next to the main road like the rest of them. It's just over there, so the main road's in front of these houses. So it's nice and quiet for that reason. You're off the beaten track, and plus you're elevated a bit. So when you're sitting down here, you've got a bit of privacy all the way around in here. And that's what I like about it as well. Let's have a look at the exterior just so we can see it from the back. You will see the sun's teeming down on here. But it's a fair size, that house. Definitely. Beautiful laid out garden. Lovely fencing all the way around there. Very idyllic, I would say. Very peaceful and quiet, despite my talking. So, let me take a wee seat and we'll recap. We just sit here all day. Oh, it's beautiful. The sun's teeming down. Yes, the sun's here, it's summertime. And this is the perfect opportunity for these types of properties, definitely. So, 3-bedroom, 3 double bedroom, end terrace property. You see the beautiful gardens to the front and back. Front's got perfect advantage of sitting south. You've got the parking across there as well. You're nicely seated down, so you've got a good amount of privacy all the way around as well, and easy access into all the amenities. Now there is drone footage, location footage on here, so you can see it where it is to everything else, but you can probably nip up the road. Actually, you can nip up the road to watch Marks and Spencer's just at the end of the road on Skinny Hill Road, across the road. And then you've got Aldi's there as well, you've got Morrison's there as well, you've got the community hospital there as well. You can go back the other way and you can get access onto the East Sands, the East Sands Leisure Centre for swimming and gymnasium and all the equipment that you need there for your fitness. You've got the Fife Coastal Path, which is right next door to it as well, and you've got open water swimming on the East Sands, and then you've got the harbour. As you work your way round the cathedral, the historic cathedral there, and you'll see in the drone footage anyway as I'm going round, and you just pass over the historic castle, and then in the background you'll see the old course in the background on the West Sands. So I've got another beach. Yeah, you've got another beach, even better beach. You've got the West Sands as well, and you've got the old course. If golf's your thing, this is the place to be. St Andrews, the home of golf, but it is also one of the top university towns in Britain, if not the world. Private education, St Leonard's, and also your public education is a great local primary school, and you've also got Madras, which has been recently rebuilt again. Fantastic school. My boys went to Ben and Scott, and I can't say enough good things about that. It's definitely a top performing school in Fife, I would say. Great lifestyle choice. If you're a remote worker, 5 miles down the road, 5 to 6 miles in Lookers, you've got access to the train station, which will take you on to Edinburgh, or it'll take you back up the other way over to Dundee and on to Aberdeen. So you've got access for commuting on the train as well, especially if you're working remotely still. And that's really what we want to do, isn't it? Really want the lifestyle that comes with it and be able to do what we want to do when we want to do it. And I think this property actually gives you that affordability of doing that. And that's why I say to most people, why on earth would you be living in the city if you could see this? Check the link above or below here and you'll see the price point, you'll see the photographs, you'll see the descriptions. This is a great property for that price point, by the way, and it's a really idyllic choice for someone, and it could be the perfect location and perfect family home for you. If you need more details, as I said before, link is in the post. Click on above or below. If you need to message us to get more details, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01334 65 42 21. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.